My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Honda Civic Type R. This vehicle has done just under 25,000 miles. It has 315 PHP, a manual transmission, and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic headlights, automatic wipers, and a keyless ignition. On the screen we can get quick access to navigation, phone, smartphone connection, and climate control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. We also have the choice of 3 different driving modes. So we have Plus R, Sport, and Comfort. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.